Have you ever studied English for many years but still find it hard to speak fluently? You know grammar rules and many words. Maybe you understand movies or podcasts. But when you want to speak, your mind goes blank, and you don't know what to say. This happens to many people. One big reason is because your brain still thinks in your first language. You try to translate everything into English, and that takes time and causes mistakes. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to think in English. It is a skill, like learning to ride a bike or play music. With practice, it gets easier and more natural. Thinking in English is the key to fluency. You do not need to translate. You will start to form ideas and sentences directly in English. Your speaking becomes faster and better. Your confidence also grows. But how do you train your brain? First, try to think in English during daily actions. When you wake up, say, "I am getting up." When you eat, say, "I am eating breakfast." These simple thoughts help you make a habit. You can also name things around you in English, like table, chair, window. This helps you remember words without translation. Try writing a short diary in English every day. Write simple sentences like, "Today, I went to work. I was tired. I had lunch with my friend." This will help you organize your thoughts. Also, speak to yourself. In English when you are alone. Say what you are doing, like, "I am washing the dishes," or "I am walking outside." It may feel strange, but it really helps. You can also close your eyes and imagine places, like a park or a cafe, and describe them in English. This builds your imagination and vocabulary. Listen to English every day. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or follow English speakers online. Even if you don't understand everything, just keep listening. Your brain will learn the sounds and patterns. If you forget a word, try to explain it using other words. For example, if you forget fridge, say the machine that keeps food cold. This is a useful skill. Reading is also very helpful. Read simple books or news and try to understand without translating. This will help your brain think in English more naturally. Make thinking in English a small daily habit, just 10 minutes a day. Do it in the morning, while walking, or before sleep. Keep practicing and be patient. Some days are easy and some days are hard, but every small step helps. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more. What is one way you will practice thinking in English today? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.